So guys, welcome again. It has been quite some time. We've not updated you on how we are faring on. So the Yata project, we are still continuing with the Yata project. So as you can see, right there is our farm. And I just want to promise you and tell you that we already stocked the farm. We stocked the parent stock that is going on there. And as I speak to you right now, I just want to show you, after now stocking the parent stock, I now want to tell you that we are now doing the construction of another house that's now going to, of course, hold the eggs, hatch the chicks, and also we are able to produce our own chicks so that we are selling to you. So where I'm standing right now, I just want to introduce you to our hatchery, which we are doing. Maybe the cameraman, you can just show them how our hatchery is looking like. And as you can see, we didn't update you when we started because of some few reasons. Of course, before we started it, we had to look for some certifications and all that, the documentation, so that we make sure that we are doing it genuinely and within the law. Of course, when you want to do a hatchery, we make sure that you do a hatchery that is licensed and it's known by the government. Now, apart from just the construction, we also do poultry houses. Of course, you can see the one we did there. That one is a house that can accommodate up to 3,000 birds. Then now here where I'm standing here, you can see these structures. We also did these structures here, and these are the farmhouses, the very simple farmhouses. We also do those ones. And as you can see, this was a very new farm. And as you can see, when you look the other side, you can also see we are about to finish the pit latrines. You can see how it looks like. It looks very nice. So I want to promise you that we have a full team that is skilled to make sure that we are giving you the right thing that you need. So basically we developed this farm and we're developing it very fast. Now, I just want us to move to the core business of this. And before that, I also want to tell you some of the services that we offer. Of course, currently we are doing now the commercial layers. And under commercial layers, we've entered into contract farming, whereby you come sign a contract with us, we brood for you, then we are able to give you the expenses of how we are going to stay with the birds. Then now you're coming to take. Apart from that, we also sell incubators, both from 64 eggs up to 20,000 capacity. So what we are doing here, we are going to invest the 19,000 incubators, 3 of them plus 1 setter. I'm going to show you inside where they are going to sit, and I'm also going to calculate with you the production per week. Now, apart from that, we also supply you the day-old chicks, both improved kienyeji and commercial layers, both from day-old and up to maturity. Now, let us move to our hatchery now. And the reason why I considered putting this hatchery here, number one, it must be at least 20 meters away from the farm. So that to control infections, we put the farm there and our hatchery is here. And you realize that it's very close to our exit gate, so that when now chicks come out from the hatchery, they will automatically move out of the gate so that people are collecting them from the other side. Now I just want you to move very closely with me so that I'm showing you how this house looks like, and or rather how this hatchery looks like. Of course, this hatchery, it looks like a house. So if you also want to do your house, your 2-bedroom, your 3-bedroom, your 4-bedroom bungalows, as other people say, bungalows.
Tunajenga nyumba ya
3-bedroom bungalow.
Angalia kamera.
3-bedroom bungalow. Bungalow. Na msangalile.
You can also contact us on 0791903717. Of course, we are going to give you the quotations, the terms of reference, and the blueprint. I mean the plan of those structures. Now, come with me so that I show you the components now of this hatchery. So, as you can see, this hatchery is very long. Of course, there we are now going to do the ring beam. We've already done the construction of the wall. So this wall is about 4 meters. Yeah, about 4 meters. So we are again going to do the ring beam. Again, we are going to continue with the construction. Then again, after that, we are also going to do another ring beam. But of course, this one I'll be able to show you on this screen, so you can just be checking them somewhere there. So now this is our main entrance. This is our main entrance. So from the farm, now we will be moving into our hatchery. How are we going to move in? So I'll just be showing you the components now of this hatchery. So where I am right now, of course, we are continuing with the construction, so don't worry of the obstacles that are here. Now, when we enter here, of course, we are going to have a fumigation room. Of course, we are going to have a place where now we are going to arrange the eggs from now the farm trays to the setter trays. So all these things are going to be happening in this room. Now, how I've decided this house, you can see when you enter here with your eggs, we are now going to, this one is going to act as a cold room for eggs, of course, to maintain the temperatures from the farm, so that we make sure the temperatures are not too high or not too low, because those conditions, we must make sure that they are uniform, so that the embryos does not develop earlier, or so that we are not having the premature death of the embryo. So we are going now to be keeping here our eggs, and now from there we are going to have a table here now. So from this room, of course, this is the fumigation room. Before the eggs get here, they are fumigated here, they are stored there. Then now we are going to be setting our eggs from here. So now from there now, I also want to show you where now we will be taking the eggs. So of course, if the eggs come from here, very straight away it's going to enter into the hatchery. So into the hatchery now, we are going to have the 3 setters. So we're going to have setter 1, setter 2, setter 3. Then now we are going to have the hatcher itself. So this hatcher will be only operate from day 18 up to day 21 or day 22. Then now the setter are going to act from day 1, the day we are loading the eggs, up to day 18. That's now when we are transferring the eggs from the setter to the hatcher. Now move with me, we go to where those setters will be set and those hatcher will be set.